Hey guys, what's up? Well, this moment I am at the uncle's farm, yeah, and I decided to record the video, yeah, and speak a little about some things in the farm, yeah, and turn up, explore the farm. Well, the place where they call takeout of milk, yeah, very spotless. Okay, this time I am asking my tia, what if? And she was like, it was the little cows that Ivat mom used for drink milk. It's so funny, cows. It's no use the mom. Now we go to the another place. Come on. Look, a cow. Hey, hey, hello. Enjoy with gorgeous sky. So beautiful. Cow food. If I remember correctly, no clue. I don't know what it is. We come again. It's so cute, little cow. Look at the little cow. Look at, it's the beautiful place, gorgeous place. And the finish, I'll speak for you and shut up. How this farm is so beautiful, so gorgeous, really, yeah. You know, I'm in love with the place, cause I don't know. Look, like, I am just love it. Yeah, love the sky, the green cows, tree, people's cousin. Oh, so pretty thing, yeah. And today in the next video, guys.